I don't understand this chapter like at all. Like hyperbola, what the heck is a hyperbola? And circles, how do you know how to graph a circle? Do you get this at all?
No,
it's so dumb.
I don't get it.
I wish there's some kind of mnemonic device to remember it by.
Like a rap song.
Yeah.
All right, this is it. This is the moment.
Like I've got to.
Yeah. It's algebra 2. Thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a mathlete. In algebra 2.
This class gets kind of tough, but I think like a mathlete. I'm writing down notes, getting grades that you can't beat. You know I know those equations, circle and eclipse, man. Trying to learn them all, but I gotta have some patience.
Circle is difference of x minus h squared and y minus k squared is r squared. It's easy as cake, brah. Don't make a mistake, brah. Think like a mathlete.
Parabolas are a common conic section. The relationship of A and C have a connection. A can equal 0 and C can equal 0 too. As long as it's not both, there's no problem to run into. Thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a mathlete. In algebra 2, you know I think like a mathlete. Equation for ellipse is just so easy. X minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k over b squared. Then what's next? Parabola, of course, man. Y equals a. X minus h squared. Plus k. You know I get it right. I stay up late just to study every single night. Now comes a circle, the next conic section. A equals C. There's never any question. There's no other way to identify a circle. In algebra 2, thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a math, thinking like a mathlete, thinking like a mathlete. In algebra 2,
Studying hyperbola can get real tough and hard to learn, but now I know it back to front. Taking tests with no concern. Sometimes it gets confusing with the foci and vertices, but now I got a brain and a mathlete mentality.
I think I get it now.
yeah.
So, like, the definition of a conic section is any figure that can be obtained by associating a double cone.
Yeah, and the equation for that is ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f, and that equals 0. But a, b, and c are not all zeros.
And the equation of a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point in the plane called the center.
And the ellipse is the set of all points in a plane such that the sum of the distances from two given points in the plane called foci is constant.
And a hyperbola is the set of all points in a plane such that the absolute value of the difference of the distances from two given points in a plane called foci is constant. So I think we did it.
I think I get it.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Party.
Yeah, great.
Woo.
We're done.
Thank you.